Hi, this is János, it's Real World Audio, and we are going to cut the little corners to fit in the Cube Audio driver. So now, as you see, I have marked the cuts in, so we have to cut at least this much. I'm not going to cut it super square, it's not good for the sound. It's going to round it more a little bit, but we have to get these areas out. I've covered up the inside so that the sawdust doesn't get on the sheepskin and into the upper area, so it makes cleanup easier. So now turn your volume down because this is going to get very loud. So that was the cuts for one unit. I'm going to do it for the second one, but not going to record it and not going to torture you with more of this noise. So after all of that, I'll do a cleanup, so clean up all my mess, and we'll sand down the rough edges, and then we can continue putting in the drivers, and that's it for now. So thank you for joining with this really fun activity. Please like, subscribe, and have an awesome day. Bye bye.